we can push for these causes. Crudely call it delayed gratification. I mean, would you want the leading senatorial candidates be the one to push your agenda? Sila ba magagawa nila yon? Sila ba sa tingin mo magpupush sa mga gusto nating ideals? At least with these people, we can guarantee to move in the right direction kahit na hindi tayo nila dalhin sa gusto nating destinasyon. Kaya tayo natatalo ng kadiliman at kasamaan eh. Lagi tayo nag-aaway, infighting, political infighting. I mean, yes, your rights are not just political points, but bear with those qualified to implement and push for reforms and better the country first. Further progress will come soon thereafter.
Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Heidi Leose Mendoza. May asawa, ina ng 3 anak, taga-Tayabas, Quezon. Ako po ay nahirang na commissioner ng Commission on Audit at nahirang din po at napagkatiwalaan bilang Undersecretary General ng United Nations Internal Oversight Services. Marami na pong nagsabing lalabanan ang katiwalian.